These loaded vegetarian nachos swap the mince for spiced brown lentils, baked under melted cheese and piled with fresh toppings. You need tortilla chips, brown lentils, paprika and cumin, melting cheese, avocado, tomato, red onion, lettuce, and sour cream. Cook the brown lentils until tender, then season them with paprika, cumin, and a little garlic. Spread tortilla chips on a lined baking sheet and scatter over plenty of grated cheese. Layer the spiced lentils on top, then bake until the cheese is melted and bubbling. Meanwhile, dice the avocado, tomato, and red onion and shred the crisp lettuce. Pile the fresh toppings over the hot nachos and finish with a generous drizzle of sour cream. Set the whole tray in the middle of the table and let everyone dig in. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies!